I heard tell that I can make you feel better with what I have right in front of me.
Do too.
If you feel a little sick. And even if you have kids that don't eat their vegetables, they'll eat this. And we'll need this.
So we're making pina coladas too?
We're making soup that won't make you grumpy because it ain't got lumpies. Carrots for your eyesight. We'll add some celery because you know how much you like celery. I like the hearts because they're easy to eat. 2 onions, whole. And remember, garlic is really good for you, so we're going to add some serious garlic to this. 6 garlic cloves for when we make out later. Pretty sure that was everything. I think. We're going to add all of our goodies into the pot, and we're going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Just how Mama used to do it. Probably not.
Probably not. Probably got it out of the chicken.
Cook this on the stove for 45 minutes, simmering. Simmering for 45 minutes.
You don't boil it?
Boil it or simmer it for 45 minutes.
Feed me now.
Let's just be honest. You can cook fancy diddlini. You can cook fancy fettuccine. But these are the best noodles you're going to get. Ramen. So we're going to strain off what we just simmered. We figured medium heat for about 45 minutes, by the way. Simmering.
I'm going to leave some juice in here.
Nice.
How much? Are you going to pour that in here? Does that go in here?
No, that does not.
What's that got to do with it?
Nothing. Why are you stalking me? Thank you very much. Before we do anything with this, we're going to add about a tablespoon of chicken stock, chicken broth, chicken, what did you call that?
Chicken bouillon.
Back into the broth. See if we can't pop a few circuit breakers in the house. That was perfectly safe. I think that went well. Oh, come on. This has a pour spout on it. I'm all about pouring the broth back in here. Wow, that's right. Look at that. I think it needs pepper.
I think it needs vodka. I've never made anything in that didn't have alcohol in it.
Prepare your utensil. You got to see this. You got to see this. Oh, this will make you feel better on any bad day. I need pepper. It's got to have a little pepper. Not a lot, just a little.
You're being really needy right now.
I am needy.
That's the only way I'll eat my vegetables.
The carrots actually make that almost like sweet.
That's
That's
interesting.
really good. I can feel the power of the chicken soup flowing through my body, curing all my ails.
You're in trouble for that.
Oh, maybe.
All right, I'm going to go eat my soup and get better.
Thanks, tuners. I love that.